The new integrated LED light bar for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator from Oracle Lighting is like nothing you've ever seen before. That's because of its unique cowl design that's only available from Oracle Lighting. This patented design increases aerodynamics while decreasing road and wind noise in your Jeep. This light bar is bright, coming in at over 18,000 lumens and projecting light over 1,500 feet. It's bright, it's cool looking. Let's go ahead and take a look at the contents. Inside the box, we will find our product registration card, installation instructions, and Oracle decals. We also have a set of hardware here that includes an installation tool for the riv nuts that are included in the kit for installation. These covers are designed to fit inside the holes where the bolts go in to cover the heads of the bolts and make the top look nice and flush. And then you'll also notice that there's a set of windshield wipers included. That's because this light bar sits low, gives the front of the vehicle that chopped look, and because of that, it covers the windshield just a little bit, and these wipers are there to make sure that the wipers don't clip the light bar. All right, so for the wiring, we have a Deutsch connector back here. From the Deutsch connector, you have 4 wires. One is a white wire, that's for the white marker lights inside the light bar, an amber wire, which is for the amber marker lights inside the light bar. Red wire is your positive for the main off-road lights, and the black wire is the common ground. While we're on the subject of wiring, a thing that makes the installation much easier if you don't have a factory auxiliary switch system is the trigger controller. The trigger controller is a wireless control setup. This allows you to install multiple different lighting products on your vehicle and install them through the wireless switch system as well as an included app. Easy to install, great solution for your Jeep. We'll be sure to include a link to this product in the description as well. So to find out more information about this or other great lighting products for your Jeep, be sure to visit www.oraclelights.com or visit an Oracle Lighting dealer near you.